Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. Today, I want to do a review video on a new vodka I came across. JT Meleck. Now, this was a fairly new product. I've only seen it on the market about maybe 3 weeks ago. And it's a local vodka made here in South Louisiana, out of Branch, Louisiana, just outside of Lafayette. So saw a lot of posting on their social media with it, so I decided to give it a try. I finally found it locally here in Prairieville. I think there's a couple places have it, so if you're local in my area, Hocus Pocus has it, and so does Harvest Market in Dutchtown. So I got a couple of notes here. So let me tell you what I like about it. If you've been following the liquor industry over the last few years, specifically with vodka and small batch and craft vodkas, you've kind of seen a common occurrence been going on. And that's that they're no longer odorless or flavorless. They're still neutral grain and there's nothing added to them, but they're not over filtered. They're not over distilled to where it pulls everything out of that original grain. There's one that I used to enjoy, which was Oriza Vodka, and that was out of Thibodaux, Louisiana. That was made with rice as part of its grain. Then the other one was Nola Vodka. That's another one in South Louisiana, here out of New Orleans. That one was made with a sweet potato. There's one out of Baton Rouge called Shindig. That was made with a sugarcane as its grain. That one you kind of have to watch, mixing that with other, using it to make cocktails. It's going to change the sweetness level of it pretty quick. So you kind of have to play around with that one a little bit. Back to JT Meleck. This is a rice vodka. I really enjoy this. It's got a little buttery, creamy note to it, which is really good. Couple of things that I like about the JT Meleck is, one, it's a grain to glass. They own the rice farm that produces the rice for this. So they plant the seeds, they harvest the rice, they bring it through the processing, the distilling, hand bottled, hand labeled. So this product is in their hands from dirt all the way on up to this wonderful product. So it's locally owned, big deal for me. I really try to focus with local spirits. JT Meleck was an actual person back in 1896, I think that's, 1896. He was a farmer, so this farm has been around for a very long time, producing some great products here in Louisiana. It's gluten-free. It is carbon filtered 6 times. And as I mentioned, hand bottled and hand labeled. So that's some of the highlights of their vodka. The best highlight of this, it is absolutely delicious. I've made a couple of different cocktails already. If you follow me on my Instagram page, you've seen that. I'll be doing a video next, making a cosmopolitan with it. So it's a great product. So we'll go ahead and open it. Now, I don't have all the right glassware and everything you need for this. Again, I just do this out of my kitchen. So put a little in here. So first thing is you can smell something other than just ethanol. Not to say that all these other vodkas that are, or they're tasteless and odorless as the vodka is supposed to be, it's just ethanol. So all you're smelling and tasting is the ethanol burn. This has a whole different body to it. So it's right off the front, I get a little sweetness. Then after that, you can smell almost like a little butteriness, so a little sweetness, buttery. This, man, I'm not one to just sip on vodka, but this is really good. It's really good. It is 40% ABV, 80 proof. And it's way affordable. I think I paid tax included. I paid 25 bucks for the bottle, and it's a great product. So guys, I think that's all I really want to do. Just take a little time, and if you want to pick this up, if you're here in Louisiana, like I said, in my area in Ascension Parish, It's going to have in Dutchtown either Hocus Pocus or Harvest Market. It's coming to the Rouses in Baton Rouge. I think there's one or two in Baton Rouge that have it already. You can go ahead and Google Marcello's Wine Market in Lafayette, Louisiana. You can contact them, and they can go ahead and ship you a bottle anywhere in the U.S. So that's one way to get your hands on it if you can't get it here local. Oh, and I do want to add this, guys. They're not a paid sponsor in any way, shape, or form. This is just a great product that I found and makes it better. It's a local product made by a wonderful distiller who takes pride in putting out a great quality product. So, all right, guys, that's it. Guys, don't forget, click subscribe, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But if you give me a thumbs down, leave a comment and tell me why. Y'all, thanks for watching.